Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another update on Zukul.com. I haven't made an update for a while, and a lot has happened in the last month or so in the Bitcoin price and in Zukul.com itself. Zukul.com is still in pre-launch, and it looks like they're going to have the official launch in the next month or two. So I'm expecting a lot of people to join Zukul then. Yes, in the meantime, they're still improving Zukul.com, and lately they've added two more big features and a new graph on the Zukul.com platform. And I'm going to show you that now. So this is my back office where you'll see your commissions. You can see I'm in the intermediary package, but you get it starter, beginner. You can start with as little as only $10 per month, and that will give you to the Zukul bot, and you can set up bots or as many bots as you want, up to amount of plus minus $300. And if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade immediately to a bigger package if you want to create more bots or bigger bots. What I also like about this program is it's got a great affiliate program. So you can join Zukul.com without using the bots and just referring your friends that are interested in network marketing or that are interested in trading. And then I think I've never traded before Zukul, and but with the Zukul bot, I could see what the bot was doing, and I learned a lot about exchanges, how to transfer or buy and sell Bitcoin, how to trade with Bitcoin, US dollar, and so on. But let me go to the bots. So on the dashboard, you can go directly to your bot. So this is my bot dashboard. As you know, in the last, since May, we had a big bear market in Bitcoin, and let me just go the last 3 months here. This is, I like this chart from, I just want to see why the volume is showing so much here. But anyway, what I wanted to show you was, this is bitcointicker.co. This is just a very simple chart, but you can see from February, and here you can see the May peak. We reached just under 10,000, and then we had this big downtrend. I started around about in April, and it was going very well, and then we had the downtrend, and there wasn't much up movement, so I made a lot of losses with that. But now we've had this nice uptrend in the last month, and unfortunately I missed a lot of that because I was so negative. I sold a lot of my positions, manually sold some of my bot positions because I thought we were going even lower, and then we had this big uptrend now. But so let me show you. I've got bots, 7 bots that I've archived or terminated, but I've got these 4 bots. It's a Bitcoin, a Zcash, a Ripple, and a Bitcoin Cash bot. What I've also done is I've had much more, up to 12 lots per bot, but I've changed that and merged many of or all my positions, so I only have 6 or 7 and 7, 6, 6, and 9 lots in each bot. But you can see I've allocated $400 to $440 to this bot, $360, $450, and $642 to this bot. And let me just move. And as you can see, at the moment I've set them all on sell only. I'll tell you just now why I did that. With the downtrend, I put it on to sell only because the bot, as the price goes down, the bot will keep on buying, and as the price goes up, it will start selling. But because we're in a downtrend, it just keep on buying. So I'd stop the buying and only told it to sell until I decided, or until I think that the market has turned. But it's difficult to know when the market has turned if you're not a trader like myself. But I'll show you what I got a solution, or found something that can help me determine or help me decide when to buy and when to sell. So the big changes in the bot is we've got the semi-auto bot and we've got a gold bot now. The gold bot is Bitcoin versus gold option, but I haven't bought anything there yet because there's no graph that I can find that gives you the Bitcoin gold exchange rate. So I cannot see when's a good time to put the bot on or not. Because first of all, what I've learned over the last 2 months is that you've got to find out what is the trend and try and trade with the trend. And then the semi-automatic bot, I've set up the bot with $200. So I've got 4 lots of $50 each. So the semi-automatic bot, what makes it different from the other bots, I've got to press the buy and sell a button, where with the automatic bot, it buys and sells for me automatically. But I have the option to sell immediately. So if I go, say, in the Bitcoin Cash and I go to view details, you'll see my current positions. You can see these are all positions before the downtrend started. You can see it's in May. Most of these are in May. And some of them are on heavy negative. But I decided I'm going to keep this for my long-term holdings. And then I still have got lots available to do current trading. But if I look at my trading log, I've already made 137, or not me, the bot, made 137 trades so far. And you can see in the last, ever since from the 17th of July, when I switched on the bot again, it made nice profits here. 2.7%, 2.8%, 2.4%, 2%, 2.4%. It made profits here. So I was late at the game here because the market turned on the 1st of July, or the beginning of July. And so I missed out a lot because I was so negative. So it just shows you, don't trade with emotions. But I found a tool that's going to help me with making a decision to switch on and off the bot, or to help the bot in that way. You don't have to switch the Autobot on and off, but I'm also going to use it, the trading signals, for my auto or semi-automatic trading bot. But another big improvement is the charting. The charting comes from TradingView, so you can see we've got much more detail that we can find on the Zukul trading bot now. And you can see here buy, sell, buy and sell. You can see the last 2 sells was done very nicely at a peak. And then you can see the market is correcting at the moment because we had this huge run the last month where the market's gone up about 30%. You can see, okay, let me just move my face out of the way. If I go for the last 30 days, you can see how it went up from 5,800 all the way up to 8,400, and now it's pulling back. So there's some retracing of the peaks, which is normal, and it's basically a healthy consolidation happening at the moment. And that's why I put my bots on pause for now. You can see here I put it on sell only. So as soon as I think the market has turned again, then I'll switch it on again. But like I said, I missed the first 2 weeks of this bull run. But yeah, I want to take you to this new tool I found. I highly recommend opening up a free account at tradingview.com. It's free. They've got subscription there as well. But now there's different ways of checking what the market is doing. but I found someone on TradingView that sold a tool called Martin Trend Line Candles. You can just Google it. He's got a website as well. But you can see where it was very accurate in identifying the downtrend. You can see as soon as it's red, you know we're in a downtrend. As soon as it goes green, you know we're in an uptrend. But that's why I didn't want to put on the trading or my auto trading now, because I wanted to go red, and as soon as it goes red again, turns to green, then I know we in the next uptrend. Then I'll do some manual training on Zukul. But the tool's not 100% perfect. You can see there were this is a daily chart, so there were 4 days that had so if you switched over here, if you start buying here, you would have made a small loss here, because they turned red again. And then if you made the switch there in time, as soon as you got the green bar, and you kept it all the way here, you would have had about 30% profit here. So, but what I also do is I go to TradingView, and you'll find people leaving comments, or what they call ideas. And one of the best guys that gives, who predicted this uptrend from the beginning, and I didn't believe him, is Alan Masters, is his username. And he's saying there's going to be some retracement now. So I'm going with what he said. And like you can see now, there is some retracement happening already. So if I go to the 3-day chart, you can see it's going down. So I'm glad I paused my bot. So as soon as this turns around, or I must guess when that happens, or I'm going to use this tool, like I said, because I can also go to a smaller time frame, say 4 hours, and or say 1 hour, and then I can see when. So you can see it's green, 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 and then here's the red. So whatever you've got to decide what time frame you want to use, or that works best for you, and then you can. So as soon as this turns green, I'll consider start buying again or switching on the bots. So yeah, that's quite a lot of information. I hope that helps. But yeah, that's what has happened lately. So I'm still in Zukul.com. That's basically my update. And the bots, as the market has stabilized now and turning up positive, I've switched on my bots. Okay, at the moment still on sell only, but yeah, my bot is making money again. And I'm very positive about the Zukul bot. And I've learned a lot about trading in the last 2 months, up and down now. So yeah, you got to get into it to start learning. But you've got to decide when to switch your bots on and off, because you've got the option here to manipulate the bot, not to make it completely auto, but you can say release or pause selling, pause buying. At the moment I've got it on pause buying, and you can also these your positions you can manually sell at any time. So in Bitcoin I've only got 2 positions currently. You can see these are in May, so they are on heavy losses at the moment. Or not that heavy, it's about 5 or 6%. But if I click that now, it will sell it immediately. And then I'll be able to see it in my exchange. It uses a CEX exchange, so your money is not held by Zukul at all. So your money is very safe. So the money is kept, your currency, whatever currency is kept in the CEX exchange. I'm in South Africa, so I can use CEX exchange. If you in other countries, then you might be able to use the older GDAX, or they call it Coinbase Pro now. So those 2 exchanges can link up to the Zukul bot. I've got training videos, how to get started, all of that. in my playlist on YouTube. So you're welcome to go and look at my playlist. Just check out the Zukul Trade playlist, and you'll be able to see all my videos there showing you how to get started. And you can see all the transactions. The quickest way for me to always see what happened in the last 24 hours is just to go to my exchange to finance and transactions, and then I can see all these buys and sells, what happened in the last say a couple of days or so. So yes, that's been quite a long update, but yes, I hope that helps you, to give you some more insights where I am and what I'm doing currently. And yes, I'm learning a lot from trading, and I think trading is a great way to make money from home. But yes, it's got a big learning curve. So start with a small amount, learn as you earn. But you might lose as well. Like I did make some losses as well in the beginning. But yeah, I can't show you that right now. The video's becoming quite long. If you look at my previous video, you'll see some of my losses that I've made. So yes, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want to follow me, my progress in Zukul and how I make money with trading, please consider subscribing to my channel. If this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. That gives me indication if I'm on the right path or not. If you give us a thumbs down, please comment below and let me know what what I did wrong. And yeah, I'm always trying to improve. So yes, so thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.